Happy New Year, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and this week we're going to take a short break and present to you something that we filmed years ago but never got around to posting. After the holiday season though, we're going to come back with Season 2, we're calling it, and in Season 2 we have new ideas. We're thinking about, on top of the English ESL games and activities that we normally play, we could integrate activities that we have used in our class which incorporate other subjects. So if there's something that you would specifically want us to focus on or mention maybe how we would integrate that into our classrooms, let us know. But again, thanks for watching and happy holidays. Please enjoy. Hi, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today I'm going to show you my variation of a board game that exists called Mad Gabs. Anyway, it's kind of more for the creative teacher who doesn't mind doing a little bit of work before the class. You need to come up with, essentially, this doesn't really look like a sentence or a question in this case, but you're going to think in your mind, what is something that the kids say or know how to say, and they use it very often. And then you're going to use other words that they know, like tea, chair, may, hi, goat, tooth, bat, there, boom. They know these words. They need to know how to pronounce these words. But then the game itself is basically, they need to say this in the right way or quickly enough, and the other person is listening on their team and they're trying to guess, what is this sentence or question really trying to say? So let's try it quickly. Tea, chair, may I go to the bathroom? Tea, chair, may I go to the bathroom? Oh, I know. Teacher, may I go to the bathroom? Let us show you a couple examples. I'll have my adult colleagues play with us.
Okay. Demetrius.
Yeah,
Is
Demetrius.
animation artist.
Demetrius is an animation artist.
No?
Oh.
Really close. Really close.
Demetrius.
Demetrius is.
Demetrius is an amazing artist.
Yes.
Oh.
My Candy Lane. Oh, this one's hard.
My Candyland hack can't beat him. He in Catan.
Mike and Elaine.
Something beat him.
Mike
in
and
Catan.
Elena. Mike and Elena
Can't beat me in Catan.
Yeah!